Good morning, everybody. I'm in Miami for a few days as I get ready to head to Peru, and I wanted to give a lesson that I think can save a lot of people a lot of injuries and a lot of pain and suffering, which is how to open up a coconut without a machete. Maybe you've been to an island or a beach, and they do that machete thing, and all of a sudden they got an open coconut. And then you ever try to do that yourself with a machete and you realize, wait a minute, that's not that easy. Well, the good news is that there is a great technique to opening up a coconut with a blunt instrument. So I'm talking about a butter knife in particular, like a regular butter knife. You see that's not sharp. So, you can't hurt yourself. And that's kind of the goal. You could even get away with it doing it with a spoon if you wanted to, but I don't know how many people know this technique, so I wanted to share it with you. All right, so if you look at a coconut, and you'll see it has two kind of sides. The bottom, we could call that the bottom, we can call that the top, which is where it hangs from, right? And it's this top part that we want to focus on here. This kind of, we call it a cap. I call it a little cap, a little hat. And you'll notice that there's the contour where the top of this hat, it meets the rest of the coconut, and that's where we want to focus on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our butter knife and we're just gonna wedge it in to that spot right between. Okay, so you see what I've done here? Right between where that cap meets the rest of the coconut. And then I'm just gonna kind of go along the contour here. I haven't done this in many, many, many years. I just kind of got inspired. I said, I wonder how many people know this. So if I'm not the most graceful example, it's because it's been a while, but you know what? You'll see that it does work. See, I've already gotten through, and now I just gotta keep going. Okay, just take my time here. And you kind of go in, and then you're gonna turn the knife, and eventually it'll pop open. Alright, so at that point, coconuts are always challenging, but the thing about this is it's safe. You see, that even if it takes me a few minutes, oh, there we go. Now look what I just did. So I pop it open, and now I have this, which I still don't have the water yet, but take my same butter knife, and I can get in there, and I can start creating a little kind of circle. Okay, and again, I like it because it's such a safe, even if I stabbed my hand right now, there'd be no injury. All right, so now I'm gonna make my hole. Again, you'll have to forgive me that I'm not as efficient this as I should be to make a video, but digging out the core here, and that's it. Now I'm in. Okay, and there's the water, and this water I will pour it in to my smoothie container. All right, I might have to open this hole up a little bit more, but I have already reached it. Okay, so there's that. See how this works. Oh, let's see. Oh, there, it's starting to drip out. Obviously, I need a better hole. Now, this smoothie that we're making is one of my favorite recipes, and it involves grapes. Okay, grapes at the base. Ooh, that might have worked. I think I might be making some progress there. Grapes. Oh. Haha, that's what we're talking about. Now those grapes, I washed them. Okay, I washed them heavily. Let that kind of keep dripping there. So, and then a banana. And I already did a video on how to open a banana, but just to remind you guys, you don't open a banana from the top. The best way is to open the bananas from the bottom. Okay, that's the way other primates do. And so we're gonna use a banana. Okay. Throw that banana right in there. Okay, this coconut water is, wow, this is very full, huh? Amazing. And well, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get some frozen fruit, and I'm gonna pack it with some frozen blueberries, some frozen fruit of different varieties that I find. Today, or yesterday rather, I found jackfruit. Ooh, can you believe it? You know, if you're looking. All right, so then that's it. Coconut is empty. And so now fill up with fresh fruit, blend it up, and that's it. All right. And while I'm at it, guys, my new book, it's out. This is book number 3. It's called The Medellin Wellness Protocol, based upon the system that we use at the Medellin Wellness Center, which is really how to prevent and how to heal different types of, you know, physical symptomologies. So check it out if you want. It's on Amazon. Message me for any questions that you have. Make a smoothie. Try to drink as much fruit or eat as much fruit as you can every single day. That's really the key to health. All right, everybody, signing off from here. Have a great day.